Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make a flaky, crispy and scrumptious sardine puff instantly. Welcome to my Instant Sardine Puff video. I have 3 tinned sardines here resting in a tomato sauce. I'll be frying up these sardines to make the filling for the sardine puff. Let's now head over to the stove. We'll make the filling first. Pour 1 tablespoon of oil into a pan that is on medium heat. When the oil heats up, add half a medium onion chopped, together with 1 stalk of curry leaves. Then saute on a medium flame until the onion turns translucent. This will take about a minute. Next, you add the tinned sardines. Turn the flame down to a low medium and fry the sardines for a minute. Let's now add the spices. First 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and then 1 teaspoon of fish curry powder. Stir well to combine and break the sardines up. After that, fry until the sardines become a dry fry. Add salt to taste if you wish and then continue to fry until dry. You fry until dry so that the filling does not ooze out of the pastry. The sardine is now suitably dry, so let's turn off the stove and keep this sardine filling aside. When the sardine mixture cools down, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Then mix the lemon juice with the sardine filling. Now, we'll be using a frozen paratha as the pastry covering for the sardine puff. This frozen paratha is what makes the sardine puff an instant one. Now let's take a frozen paratha from the packet and lay it down on my colorful glass chopping board. I am now cutting this paratha into 2 halves, 2 equal halves hopefully. You need to concentrate here, friends. Okay, let's take 1 half and put it aside. And then work on the other side. Place 1 dessert spoon of the sardine filling onto one side of the half paratha. You can add a wee bit more stuffing if you like, but be careful not to overstuff because the filling might ooze out while baking. Brush some milk on the sides so they will seal easier. You can now fold the paratha to form a puff. After folding over, seal the edges with your fingers first. Just be careful not to squash the puff. When the sides are sealed, crimp them with a fork. You can flute the edges if you like, but I prefer to just crimp them with a fork because it's much easier. Also, I get nervous in front of a camera. There, that's done. Let's now keep this aside to bake. I'll do the other side also for you to watch a second time. Put some filling on. A little extra if you're confident it won't burst the seams. Brush the edges with some milk. Fold one side of the paratha over the filling and seal with your fingers. Crimp the sides to secure the filling. Be gentle or you might poke holes into the pastry. I'm cautioning you as well as cautioning myself. That's it, let's get it ready to bake. Lay it beside the other puff. Then brush the puffs with milk. This will give them a nice golden color after baking. You can use an egg wash instead. Once that's done, poke a few holes with your fork. This is for the steam to escape while baking. Then off to the oven. The sardine puffs are going into an oven that has been preheated at 200 degrees for 15 minutes. I'm going to bake these puffs for 12 minutes. It's been 12 minutes and the sardine puffs are ready. Here they are, the baked instant sardine puffs. Let's remove them onto a plate. I'm only making 4 puffs now, but you can make a total of 10 puffs with 5 instant parathas. Let me taste the sardine puff. It's flaky. That's the full frontal. Cut me a piece now. Super delicious. Please do try this at home. You'll love it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Stay safe.